Hi guys, welcome to Shield's Cooking Christmas Special. In the upcoming episodes I'm going to show you how you can easily create a wonderful 4-course menu with a delicious amuse. Today we're going to make the first course. It's going to be a steak tartare with truffle, curd egg yolk, pickled onions and mushroom, and some crispy capers. So please subscribe if you want to support my channel and see more amazing cooking videos, and hit that notification button if you don't want to miss any of the other Christmas special videos. So, let's begin. We're going to begin with the pickled onions and brown enoki. Start by slicing around 15 small white onions in half. Now remove the skin. Then take one bunch of brown enoki and slice the top off. After that, pour 150 grams of white wine vinegar in a saucepan together with 100 grams of water, 50 grams of madeira, 100 grams of sugar, 2 grams of salt and 10 pieces of cardamom. Now bring this to a boil. Once it's boiling, add the cleaned onions and let this boil for another minute. Then transfer it into a preserving jar and also add the brown enoki. Make sure everything is submerged, cover it with a lid and then let it sit overnight in your fridge. Now for the curd egg yolk. Mix 130 grams of Korea salt with 100 grams of sugar. Then cover the bottom of a tray with this mixture and make 4 small dimples in the middle. Now separate 4 eggs and transfer the yolks into the dimples. Then cover the yolks completely with the salt mixture. Once that's done, keep them in your fridge for 3 days. After that, remove the yolks from the cure and clean them in some lukewarm water. Now let them dry at 60 degrees Celsius for around 8 hours. After that, keep them in your freezer till you're going to use them. Then the fried capers. Transfer some capers on a kitchen paper and let this sit in your fridge for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, heat up some oil till it's 220 degrees Celsius, and once it's hot, fry a couple of capers at a time. When they stop bubbling, they're crispy and you can take them out of the oil. Now repeat this with the remaining capers and then keep them dry and covered for later. Then the chanterelle. First clean the stems with the tip of a small knife and cut off the top. Now add a generous amount of salt to some lukewarm water and wash the mushrooms till they're clean. Then let them dry for around 10 minutes on some kitchen paper. Now heat up a frying pan, add a splash of oil and add the mushrooms. Then season with some salt and fry them till they're golden. Then add a nut of butter and fry them for another 2 minutes. After that, keep them covered in your fridge for later. Now the truffle cream. Shave around 25 grams of black truffle in thin slices. Cut the slices with a small round cutter and keep them in your fridge for later. We're going to use the trimmings to make the cream. Transfer them into a blender together with 10 grams of lime juice, 10 grams of mustard, 2 grams of salt, 30 grams of egg yolk and 30 grams of sushi vinegar. Mix this till it's smooth. Then add 140 grams of neutral oil and emulsify this. Now transfer it into a piping bag and keep it in your fridge for later. Then the steak tartare. Slice 200 grams of tenderloin in thin slices. Now cut them in julienne and then in small cubes. Then chop 8 grams of shallot fine. Do this as well with 10 grams of pickles and 5 grams of capers. Now mix the meat with 1 egg yolk, the chopped capers, pickles and shallots. Also add 4 grams of Worcestershire sauce, 3 grams of salt, 8 spins of black pepper and 40 grams of tomato ketchup. Gently mix this. Now we can start to plate. Begin by making a small layer of steak tartare in a big ring. Then add the pickled onions. Then also add the baked cantareles, the truffle cream, the truffle rounds, the pickled brown gnocchi, and the crispy capers. Once that's done, I would serve the dish and finish it with the cured egg yolk on the table. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. So please let me know in the comments on what you want to see next. Like and share the video and subscribe if you want to support my channel and see the other amazing Christmas videos as well. So Merry Christmas to you all, and as always, bon appétit!